The fourth sorrowful mystery is the carrying of the cross. From the book of John, chapter 19, verses 16 to 22. The Gospel reading. Jesus was led away and, carrying the cross by himself, went out to what is called the place of the skull, in Hebrew, Golgotha. There they crucified him, and two others with him, one on either side, Jesus in the middle. Pilate had an inscription placed on the cross that read, Jesus the Nazarene, the King of the Jews. This inscription in Hebrew, Latin, and Greek was read by many of the Jews, since the place where Jesus was crucified was near the city. The chief priests of the Jews tried to tell Pilate, "You should not have written the King of the Jews. Write instead, this man claimed to be King of the Jews." Pilate answered, "What I have written, I have written." The Meditation. Recall a time in your life when God let you meet people who could not see God's purpose in you, and worse, intentionally destroys your name. How did God handle them?